Common questions about generative AI explained for a sixth grader. 1. What's the difference between discriminative and generative AI models? Discriminative models are like detectives. They look at clues, data, and try to put them into categories, like figuring out if an email is junk or not. On the other hand, generative models are more like artists. They learn from examples and create new things. 2. Where do we see generative AI in daily life? You might have heard of deepfakes, where someone's face is swapped with another in a video. That's done by generative AI. Google's Smart Reply suggests responses to your emails, and chatbots like ChatGPT and Jasper also use it. Even some artists use tools powered by generative AI to create cool visuals. 3. What are the limitations of generative AI? Even though generative AI is pretty cool, it has some challenges. It needs tons of examples to learn from. It's hard to control what it creates, and if it doesn't have a good variety of examples, it might make something that doesn't look realistic. 4. Are there ethical concerns associated with generative AI? Yes, there are. For instance, deepfakes can be used wrongly to trick people with fake videos. Also, if an AI writes a song or a story, who owns it? We need to consider these important questions as we use generative AI. 5. How accurate and reliable is generative AI? The accuracy of generative AI depends on how good its examples are and how well it's been taught. While it can make some pretty realistic stuff, sometimes it might make something odd or unrealistic. 6. Can generative AI replace human creativity? While generative AI can help us come up with new ideas, it doesn't really understand the meaning behind what it's creating. So while it's a great tool for helping us be more creative, it can't replace humans' unique creativity. 7. How is generative AI changing industries? Generative AI is helping different industries in cool ways. In fashion, it can create new design ideas. In healthcare, it can help simulate patient data to aid research. Just remember, generative AI is still growing and learning, just like you. And like any tool, we need to use it responsibly and understand what it can and can't do.